Welcome to Youn's Gear Denali Drivelines Incorporated. Since 1977, we've been serving the greater Fairbanks area with rebuilding differentials, transmissions, transfer cases, custom U-bolts, custom drive shafts, and so much more. We pride ourselves on the quality of our work and our customer service. With more than 40 years of experience, we're the go-to shop in the area for under-vehicle auto repairs. If you're doing your own repair, all parts we use in-house are available for purchase. We're your first choice for all heavy and light-duty vehicle repairs. Give us a call today.